Welcome to DreamHaven Ideas. Picture this, stepping onto your small outdoor kitchen and feeling the world slow down. The soft glow of ambient lighting above, comfortable seating that invites you to linger, and lush greenery creating a private sanctuary just for you. This isn't just an outdoor space, it's your personal retreat, your escape, your haven. Today, we're exploring over 100 small outdoor kitchen ideas for 2026, featuring patio dining designs, simple barbecue setups, and backyard ideas that will transform your outdoor space. Whether you have a compact balcony or an expansive yard, these inspiring concepts show how thoughtful small kitchen design can create the perfect setting for relaxation, entertainment, and making memories with those you love. As we journey through these beautiful small outdoor kitchens, notice how the most inviting spaces balance comfort with style. Plush, weather-resistant seating in neutral tones creates a foundation, while layered textiles, think outdoor rugs, throw pillows, and cozy blankets add warmth and personality. Vertical gardens maximize greenery in compact areas, while strategic plantings create privacy and visual depth. You'll see how lighting transforms spaces from day to evening. String lights woven through pergolas cast a magical glow. Recessed LEDs highlight architectural features. Lanterns and pendants create intimate pools of light. These aren't just functional additions. They're design elements that extend the life of your outdoor space well into the evening hours. Materials tell a story too. Natural wood brings warmth and authenticity. Stone and concrete offer durability with modern elegance. Wicker and rattan add texture and timeless appeal. And when combined with smart technology automated shade systems, integrated irrigation, app-controlled lighting, these elements create a space that's not just beautiful, but deeply functional. The magic lies in the details. Climbing jasmine framing a pergola, herbs in terracotta pots within arm's reach, a fire feature that invites gathering, sustainable materials that honor the environment. Every choice reflects intention, creating a space that's not just beautiful, but deeply personal. As you explore these ideas, I invite you to imagine which elements would make your small outdoor kitchen feel like home. Would you choose the romantic charm of a cottage-style pergola with climbing vines and vintage lighting? Or does your heart lean toward sleek, modern minimalism with clean limes and integrated smart features? Consider how you want to use your space. Do you dream of morning coffee surrounded by greenery? A cozy seating nook with comfortable cushions might be perfect. Do you love entertaining? A dining area with ample seating and ambient lighting creates the ideal gathering spot. Do you crave tranquility? A meditation corner with lush plantings offers daily escape. Think about the feeling you want to cultivate. Is it the relaxed elegance of a coastal retreat, the warm comfort of a farmhouse porch, the sophisticated calm of a contemporary oasis? Each of these visions is achievable through intentional design that balances aesthetics with function. If these small outdoor kitchen ideas have inspired you to reimagine your outdoor space, we'd be honored if you'd like this video and subscribe to DreamHaven Ideas. By joining our community, you'll receive weekly inspiration for creating beautiful, functional outdoor spaces that elevate your everyday life. We're here to support your journey toward creating the small outdoor kitchen retreat you've always dreamed of. Now, settle in and enjoy this curated collection of small outdoor kitchen inspiration. Let these images spark your creativity and help you envision the perfect outdoor sanctuary for your home.